In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to enable blood in the strongest battlegrounds. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you look at gameplay for the strongest battlegrounds, you might have noticed that some people have blood particles that come out of dummies and other characters they are attacking. It is usually this red mist or a bunch of red particles that bunch up on low health players and whenever they are attacked, like this. So you will be able to enable this on any device, and all that you have to do is join the experience first, and instead of going over to the Roblox settings, click on the settings icon inside of the strongest battlegrounds itself. In here, if you scroll down, one of the options is going to be blood. So I'm going to disable this option just to show you how this looks, and I'm going to attack this dummy for a while. You can find the option to enable or disable blood on any device, and whenever you attack your opponents, you will be able to see the blood particles fly out of their bodies as you attack and combo them. This should work for every single character, so even if you switch to someone who's not using a blade, like the Blade Master, you will still be able to see the blood particles. So all that you have to do is go over here and enable or disable it accordingly. It's always going to be between auto run and hide kills, and this is a free option, meaning that you don't need VIP or any sort of game pass to get it working. So just enable or disable it according to your preferences, and you will be able to see it go out whenever you use your abilities, whenever you attack opponents with M1s, and whenever you interact with someone as well. You should also be able to see it coming out of your own character when you get attacked, so it's a nice way to make the game look better and feel much cooler. If you still see the particles for whatever reason, try restarting the game and they should appear or go away depending on how glitched your game is at the moment, and you will be able to fix it really quick. I hope I was able to help you on how to enable blood in the strongest battlegrounds. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.